everyone, it's Nancy Wethington with you. I've got another journal to show you, this time a calendar journal that I made for Button Farm Club. And it's done with K&Co papers with the cinch, as you can see. If you have a cinch at home, we will include the cinch extra large disc with it. But if you want to do this and you don't want to use a cinch, you can do this also with rings or however you prefer to put your books together. But this is a calendar journal book, and I've used K&Co papers. This is a paper pad that will give you 48 papers. Look at the gold in that. They're pretty. You'll also get ephemera, and you get stickers with this. So it's really a full kit. You'll get hardbound covers, really hard, plus some layering chipboard. And the cover is definitely layered, including using some pop-ups. And when you open to the first page, or the first page spread, I should say. Let me see if I can't back this up a little. Whoop. The one side, well, the first page spread, it's just a journaling area for you that you can put maybe your expectations for the coming year, including a little journaling card if you want to make that private. And then you have pages that are completely blank. So you can do whatever you want here. If you want to put your own images in or whatever. Then the calendar is a 2-page calendar spread. Each of the squares in the calendar are 1 1/4 inches. So there's plenty of room for writing. Included will be these months of the year that you can add, but you'll note that the numbers aren't in the calendar yet. So you're going to put those in yourself just by writing the numbers in. There's also a spot for notes. Then the next page is a 2-page layout that you can do with all the included supplies. This one is a January layout. A little tuck behinds here, a little tag, and a little pot of flowers, just for fun. And then you turn the page again, and you have, sorry, went a little too fast, and you have 2 blank pages again that you can do anything you want with. Then the next page is the February calendar, same dimensions. Turn the page, and you have a February layout with tuck behinds, a large photo mat, pocket, another little postcard. This all comes with your kit, and a little frame that can also actually be used as a tuck behind if you don't glue it down all the way. Blank page to do whatever you want, and then the March calendar. Then we have the March page, 2-page layout. This is a tuck behind. This is a I put mine down as a permanent photo mat, but I've got another photo mat that's tuck behind. And on these papers, they're one-sided papers. So for a lot of these mats that you see that are white, I just use the other side of a paper that I'm not using in the kit. You get you get 48 pages altogether in the 12 by 12 K&Co papers. So you'll have plenty to do whatever you want with. Then a little emblem for create and inspire. And then this full bloom. I don't know if you can see that gold in there, but they're so cute. Then the blank again. And then April page, calendar page. And then the April spread. And, sorry, allergies are bad right now. A postcard as a tuck behind. Then you'll see a little tiny sticker, and you get a whole sticker book of very small stickers. And a lot of them, most of them actually, are small enough that you can use inside one of your calendar squares. Then I permanently put this mat down, but again, you have plenty of room to put more pictures if you'd like to slide some behind there. This is a side pocket. And then this one I just used a piece of plain cardstock that I had. And then I used this other K&Co paper. But again, it's white on the opposite side. Tuck those behind. And then ephemera and a sticker from the collection kits in the sticker pack. Blank. And then your May calendar. And then your May layout is all about birds. So this is one piece of paper here with the cute bird houses. And then 2 photo mats. And then some adorable stamps I just put in the corner. Aren't they cute? These are extremely simple layouts. Because if you want to do this for a Christmas gift or for yourself, I don't know about you, but I don't have a lot of time to do layouts for anything. But if I've got this and a couple of pictures snapped and I can run them off on my computer, great. I will do that and throw them in here. In the meantime, I've got the layouts finished for all of next year. Then June calendar. And by the way, this book, the inside pages measure 8 by 8, so this is really a nice size book. And I want to tell you, when I first saw these Cinch discs come out, I wasn't a big fan because I've been in scrapbooking for years and years and years, and this is not a brand new idea. If you've been in it as long as I have, which I've probably been scrapping for almost 30 years actually. This was an old way of binding. But We Are Memory Keepers is such a great company. They came out with a different version of it, which works much better. And I'll tell you a secret. I work in my basement. That's not a secret. Everybody knows that. I've got concrete floors, and I have tile on top of the concrete. Nothing cushioned at all. I, quite by accident, dropped this book this morning right on the floor, and it stayed together. First I thought, oh my gosh, I'm going to have to put this whole thing back together again. Nope. It stayed perfect. I couldn't believe it. So on this page, this is our June page. This is birds again with some ephemera. Isn't that pretty? You see the gold? There we go. And then I've got 2 photo mats to tuck into the side pocket. And it will hold more if you want it to. And then 1 large photo, and I didn't glue this down all the way so that you could tuck the photo in behind the bird. Blank page. July calendar. And then on this 8x8 2-page spread for July, I used as much red, white, and blue as I could. Isn't that cute with the poppy paper? And then did a large photo mat. And I got to tell you, I have a confession. You know I love these corners. This is a We Are Memory Keepers corner chomper. Sorry, it's called a chomper. And they have different edges. Each chomper has 2 different edges. This is my favorite. Well, I forgot to chomp the corners on this one. So these are perfectly square, although it sure would look better if I had done that. This is a corner. This is a side pocket. And then this is for a large photo. And again, some really pretty images from the ephemera pack, and this one's from the stickers. Blank page. Then we move to August. In August, I wanted to do real cool. I'm in the Midwest, so our August is horrible with heat and humidity and all kinds of awful things. So anyway, this page I did as a pocket, and you can see the 2 pieces of ephemeras I used from the ephemera pack. And again, look at a little bit of gold in that stamp. It's so pretty. And then I took this, I don't know, I called these fireflies. I don't know what they really are, but this paper, this firefly paper, has some words on it, and I took the word bloom and in my garden and just did 2 banners out of it just to decorate the top of that page, and then slid in a photo mat. Then a large photo mat over here, another pretty ephemera piece. I'm using this as a tuck behind, so you can put more things in here if you want more photos or photo mats. And then this is from, this is from the sticker and ephemera sheets. Blank page. Then we move on to September. And these words are done for us by Gypsy Soul Laser Cuts. I painted mine with gold paint. I don't know if I'm getting the right angle there for you to see it, but it's my favorite gold paint, and it is available through the button form. You can add it onto your kit. Then September, 2-page layout again. On the left side, I did a side pocket with 2 photo mats, and on this photo mat I added a pull of a butterfly. Or maybe it's a moth, I'm not sure. I'll call it a butterfly. And words from the ephemera pack in full bloom in gold. And then on this page I took one of the 12 by 12 papers and I just did a fussy cut around the flowers and then added a photo mat with a sticker, "Today is a beautiful day." Let me get that behind there. Get in there. There we go. Blank page. Calendar for October. And then the October layout is done with the dark green bird paper, which I loved, and this very bright yellow to match the birds. Here's the bird paper with the bird on it. Cute. So see, the back is blank, so a lot of these I used just leftover papers that I had to make the photo mats. So this is tucked in. Then I've got a small photo mat here, and then one of the postcards from the ephemera pack that's tucked in, and then another little photo mat, and this is a tag from the ephemera pack, and I just stapled it on, and that's going to slide right in with the tag on the outside. And then part 2, 2 photo mats on the bird page. Blank. And then we go to November. Words are pretty, aren't they? The months. And then on the November, I use this really pretty paper with the vase and the flowers. A real simple side pocket with a little ephemera piece that says notes. And then the second part of it is 3 photo mats with that beautiful blue New Beginnings paper. So pretty. Blank. And then we come to December. And then on the December layout, 2-page layout again, did the dark green with the pinkish red color. And then I fussy cut around some flower border that was on one of the papers and put a very large photo mat in because all I think about is family photos and everybody's gathered around and everybody's trying to get in the picture. And then I used the ribbon paper, but I did a fancy border cut, and you can use any border punch that you have. And then the large photo mat tucks inside. And that is the entire journal. And it will be available soon on the Button Farm site. You might even find it at the Button Farm booth at the KISS Crop in Lebanon, the road trip and crop in Lebanon. Keep your fingers crossed that we get them all done by then. See you then. Thank you. Bye.